In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up an abandoned cart email in Klaviyo. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and clicking on Flows from the left-hand side menu. Once here, you need to create a new flow. If this is your first flow, you'll see the Build Your Own option on the main screen. Otherwise, click the Create Flow button at the top right. Here, search for the Abandoned Cart template. This template will only appear if your Klaviyo account is connected to Shopify. If Shopify is not yet connected, make sure to watch our tutorial on how to integrate it first. Click on it to proceed. Zoom it over here to get an idea of what the flow looks like. Then click on Use Template over here. The option is grayed out for me because this is a tutorial account and I don't have cart data from Shopify, so I'll demonstrate using the Abandoned Checkout Email template, which is designed exactly the same. Once you select the Abandoned Cart template, the trigger will automatically be set to Added to Cart, with an additional filter that ensures no order was placed after adding items to the cart. The template is well designed by default. Typically, 4 hours after the cart is abandoned, the customer will receive an SMS or an email. If you don't want SMS, you can delete the conditional split and the SMS path, leaving only the email option. If the person still hasn't purchased the item within 20 more hours, they will automatically receive a second reminder email. You can click on the 3 dots next to each email to preview or edit them. Once you've finished customizing your emails, click on Review and Turn On at the top right-hand corner. Make sure the flow status is set to live, then click on Save. After this, your abandoned cart flow will be active, and your customers will begin receiving reminders when they leave items in their cart. And this is how you can set up an abandoned cart email in Klaviyo.